Atlantic skipjack tuna, guys.
There you go.
Man, it's a small fish, but it.
Yeah.
Small fish, but it.
Look at that.
Wildin' like a.
Be one of the teasers that we're gonna be using for blue marlin today. As you can see, like it's pretty beat up here with the bills. They come and they hit it. It doesn't have a hook, so it's just a teaser to bring it up, and then we're gonna do a bait switch, basically. You know, taking this lure out, putting the other one with the hook. If it doesn't work out the artificial, if half of the trip, we'll change to natural bait. Vamos a ver. Natural bait.
Natural bait.
Ali here con un shocker. Black bark. That's it.
Atlantic ocean fishing, man. With Captain Carlos. Drop fishing charters. The rod's ready, man. Some big game right here.
Ok, 325.
Look behind the frigate first, the beach first, just look under him. If you look under them, you're gonna see the fish blow up.
They're blowing up.
Look at under them, the frigate first, just look under them. They're here. And I'm almost 100% sure it's gonna be a marlin around here feeding tuna. You see the frigate bird, look, it's gonna spill under it.
Oh, yeah.
Cuando ella baja, ahí es que ellos comen. Yeah, I'm gonna pass it right in front of their face. Hopefully they take it. Come on, baby. Esta es la que va a sonar.
Hit it, man. What's up? Get it. Fish on, baby. Woo, boy, I ran a fish, man. What could it be? Go.
It's off. Yeah, I don't feel anything.
See? Yeah. Dolly here. Around this. Copper. Then you get the shocker for protection, and it makes an explosion on the surface, so it's like a flying fish. And we got the bait right there. You can use it for blue marlin, mahi, wahoo, anything. Obviously wahoo you need wire, but they'll go for it.
Just remember, drag the fish. No, when he runs, let it run. Just short bumps and reel down. Short bumps and reel down.
There you go.
It's gonna be maybe a little black fin or an albacore, guys.
Ahí viene.
Vale, que sí, vale.
It's a big reel, man. It's a big reel. Nomás,
Yeah, ahí. That's what we use usually. That's what.
Atlantic skipjack tuna, guys.
There you go.
Man, it's a small fish, but it fought good, man. And massive reel, man.
Yeah.
Woo!
Okay, now.
Small fish, but
Look at that.
Wildin' like a.